Irresistible Rose Velvet, the new fragrance. Givenchy.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for dropping by. It's Jane once again, and welcome back to another perfume video. If you're new here, welcome. My channel is all about fragrances. Continuing on the series called Unfiltered Opinion, today's fragrance is from Givenchy's Irresistible line, the newest flanker called Irresistible Rose Velvet Eau de Parfum. This is going to be a very short review, so I hope you stick around and continue to watch. My last video in this series was some time ago, and it was on the new Kilian Can't Stop Loving You. Make sure to check that one out if you haven't yet, and if you're interested to get to know more about the new offering from Kilian. And without further ado, let's get right to the fragrance. I have here a 1 ml carded sample of the fragrance, which I got for free from purchase a while back. The bottle comes in the same squarish bottle design of Irresistible minus the textured appearance of the bottle. This one is smooth, much like the bottle of their hair mist, with a rose gold cap similar to all the Irresistible perfumes. This is the third flanker. There's an Eau de Toilette, an Eau de Toilette Fresh, and finally this one, Rose Velvet. The original Irresistible having been released in 2020. This is in Eau de Parfum concentration and comes in 30, 50, and 80 ml bottle. My very big disclaimer is that I only have enough for one full wear because of the sheer amount in this little sample, but I guess it was enough to form an impression. This perfume was released in late 2022 and signed by the same perfumers who created the previous fragrances in the Irresistible line, Anne Filippo, Dominique Dropion, and Fanny Balb. This fragrance features notes of black currant on top. The mid has rose and rose water plus iris, and the base has patchouli and woody notes. I was reviewing the notes and found this to be very similar to the notes list of the Eau de Toilette Irresistible, with a focus on rose. How much similar or different I can't say because I've not tried them out side by side. From scent memory of sniffing Irresistible before, my favorite remains to be the original. I love how the sugary pear welcomes you in the opening with freshness and juiciness, heralding the play of some rose and iris on a clean, musky base. The Eau de Toilette and the Eau de Toilette Fresh were underwhelming to me, and so is this. To me, this is but a synthetic mishmash of notes. The rose isn't outstanding. The fruity top is very underwhelming. I wish they retained the pear. And the base, well, the only one to contain patchouli, I think it did not work much for this composition. Do I get rose? Yes, but a very synthetic, almost plasticky smelling one. Do I get velvet? Sadly, no. No silky smoothness or creaminess either. If you have the original, stick to it. It is still the best in the line. Since I cannot spray this little sample all over, I'm not sure how much this projects oversprayed. Longevity on my skin is 3 to 4 hours. Once again, I'm not sure if longevity is improved when oversprayed. For the price, from Rustan's department store website, the 30 ml bottle of Irresistible retails for 3,950 pesos, the 50 ml for 5,750, and the 80 ml for 6,750. The brand occasionally goes on sale, so catch them on sale to save some cash. This perfume is for casual wearing, everyday, office appropriate, signature scent worthy if you are into floral perfumes for everyday, light enough for warm season and for year-round wear for us here in the tropics, feminine most definitely, and daytime to nighttime appropriate for our weather. The vibe I get from this perfume is likely not to teenagers' liking and ladies in the very early 20s. Overall, Irresistible Velvet Rose Eau de Parfum is a 3/10 to me. I think this is a fairly useless flanker, especially if you already love all the prior releases. Also, this is much too synthetic and plasticky for my liking. At least on my skin, it smells that way. I highly encourage you to try on your skin though, because perfumes can smell differently on everyone. There are far better rose perfumes out there in my honest opinion, and within the line, the Eau de Toilette is a great option if you're after the rose. Also, if you love Irresistible but do not want to fork out the moolah for a bottle, I found a very good ZARA dupe. Check out my ZARA video. I will link it up here and down below in the description. And so that is it for today, you guys. Short and sweet. I do apologize for my inconsistent uploads lately, but I will try my very best to keep to an uploading schedule like before. I appreciate you all for sticking around and making it to this part of the video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please comment your thoughts down below or leave a question if you have any. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and click on the bell icon to be notified of future videos. My next video in this series is all about YSL's baby cat, so please stay tuned for that. And as always, take care, you all. Smell your absolute best, and see you in my next video. Bye!